ahead and roll it.
Okay.
Hi, everybody. Say hi. Wait a minute. Look. Say hi.
Hi, everybody.
Tell them what we're doing. Look at the camera. What are we doing?
We're making cookies today.
Okay, and then tell them who we are. Tell them who you are and who I am.
I'm Liam, and this is Aunt Tina.
Hi, y'all. So tell them what you're doing.
Today we're making cookies.
What kind of cookies?
Chocolate chip cookies.
And what is this? Your dough?
Yep, this is my dough.
Okay, and you take flour and put on your wax paper.
Yep.
And you put the dough on it.
Yep.
Okay, and then you take your flour pin, rolling pin.
Yep.
And you roll them out. And what kind of cookies are we gonna make?
Don't roll them out too thin.
I want to roll them out too thin.
Okay.
Now, what kind of cookies are we gonna make?
Spider ones, bat ones. A bat one.
Okay, well just pick one and we'll smash it.
Okay.
Okay?
What's this one?
Well, that's the Kit Kat, isn't it? Is that what you want to make?
Yeah. That's
Okay.
the kitty cat.
Now. Okay. Where are we gonna put them? Where do you want to take them?
There.
You want to put them? Well, let's put them right here. Okay?
I want to smash it down.
Smash it down.
Now press it down all the way through.
Wait a minute.
Good job.
Good job.
And then we need to push it up.
Hold on.
Pull it up.
Now let's take this. Okay, hey. Wow, that turned out pretty good.
Well, yeah,
Oh, yeah.
it's pretty cool.
Okay, that turned out good, y'all. Look at the
Yeah.
Kit Kat.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
And we're going to place it over here, right?
Yeah. Well, there's a
It's gonna melt.
chocolate chip.
They're gonna melt.
Okay, here.
It just fell out.
Okay, now, what other kind? How
Um,
about a pumpkin?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's put it right
there?
there.
Okay, push it down. Okay. Good job. Bring your cookie cutter.
Wow.
Look at your pumpkin.
Wow.
Yeah.
This tastes really good.
It does.
Really, really good.
What on earth?
He said really, really good. What?
The dough.
Yeah, I know. We don't do it like Memo does, though, do we?
You know, why don't you mash them all at once?
Let's smash them all at once, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, we're making it back.
Make it a lot easier.
I don't need that.
Why?
Because I need it. Okay. Now, look, here. We'll make your hat. Now make your hat. Put your hat in there. Mash it down. Now get no more cookie dough.
Okay.
Okay. Mash it down. Really good. Okay.
Now peel that off.
Wait a minute. Let's leave it there first. We gotta mash these. Okay.
Okay.
Now mash this. Well, are you helping me here?
Yeah.
Well, come on.
And then the spider right there.
Well, let's see. Wait a minute. You got it wrong. It was like this.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yep.
Right there. Okay.
Okay.
Now another pumpkin right there.
Yep.
Okay. Wait a minute. There we go. Now we're gonna pull the you can pull the excess off. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, people, we're going to, they're going to get all them cut out and everything, and after they're baked, we'll get back with you, and we'll show you the results.
Bye,
Hey.
y'all.
Bye,
Tina and Liam's cookie. Home fresh cookies.
Wow. That's cool.
Yeah. Okay.
That's really cool.